Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we'd like to show you how to make your iPhone speak any custom text when you plug in the charging cable. First, open the Shortcuts app. It looks like this. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store for free. Once in the Shortcuts app, go to the Automation tab at the bottom, tap the plus sign at the top right, and create a personal automation. Choose the charger scenario, make sure Is Connected is selected, then tap Next. Tap Add Action, type in Speak and choose the Speak text, Action. Type in the text you'd like to be spoken when you start charging your iPhone. For example, I'll type in, "Thank you," then tap Next. Disable the Ask Before Running switch, tap Don't Ask, then press Done. Let's test it out. I'll plug in the charging cable, and as you could hear, my iPhone voiced the text I entered. Alrighty, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.